जय हिंद। तो आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे डायमेंशन एंड डायमेंशनल फार्मूला। ये क्या होता है? सबसे पहले हम लोग बात करेंगे डायमेंशन का। ओके, ये आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हैं कि डायमेंशन एंड डायमेंशनल फार्मूला में हम लोग सबसे पहले बात करेंगे डायमेंशन का और उसके बाद बात करेंगे डायमेंशनल फार्मूला का। सबसे पहले आप यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल से समझते हैं। जैसे कि आप लोगों ने जानते होंगे कि फोर्स का फार्मूला होता है। व्हाट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ फोर्स? m into a. As you know that the formula of force is equal to m into a. You can write this force formula, this m, and the value of a is equal to what? V by t. You can write this at the place of v, sorry, a. Therefore it will be v by t. You also know that v is equal to displacement by time. Therefore you can write here what? M, and at the place of v, s by t, and it is also t here. Therefore it will be what? It will be ms by t square. As you know, you can see here after ms t minus 2, it will be or not? F is equal to ms t minus 2, it will be or not? You can see here in the formula of force, here is mass, displacement and time, and you can see here these three physical quantities are fundamental physical quantities. Means we can say that any physical quantities have some fundamental physical quantities. We know that 7 fundamental physical quantities. तो आप यहाँ पे देख पाते हैं कि फोर्स में कितने फंडामेंटल फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज हैं? 3, मास, लेंथ एंड टाइम. And here when we discuss about the dimension, so dimensions show the how many fundamental units. You can write here the units of mass. What is unit of mass? Kg. The unit of s, meter. The unit of time, second, minus 2. Here we can see that the force has 3 fundamental units: kilogram, a meter and second. We can say that all physical quantities have some fundamental units. So dimensions show the how many fundamental units are used to express the given physical quantities. Here force is the physical quantities and force is shown by 3 fundamental units like as a kg, meter and second. In this way we express any other physical quantities by the help of fundamental units. In this way we can define the dimension. What is the definition of dimension? The power rest. You can see here the power rest on fundamental units. The power of kg is equal to 1, power of meter is equal to 1, power of second is equal to minus 2. The power rests on fundamental units. To express the physical quantity is called dimension. Means the dimension of force is equal to what? Kg to the power 1, m to the power 1, s to the power minus 1. But we have taught, is the dimension of this in this way? Answer is no, because we used dimensional symbol for writing the dimension. We used special dimensional symbol for writing the dimension of physical quantities. Means at the place of kg we used dimensional symbol of kg, and we know that dimensional symbol for all fundamental units, like as here you can see this. Here is the fundamental, here is the okay fundamental units. First is the fundamental unit, what? Kg. But when we writing the dimension, here we can write it dimensional symbol. For the kg we write here capital M. For the meter, we write here L. For the second, we write here T. You know that, you know very well. kg is measured. kg is used to measure the mass. Meter is used to measure the length. Second is used to measure the time. Okay, here we are writing only the fundamental units because we used fundamental units to write the dimension of physical quantities. But when we write the dimension, we write the dimensional symbol, not this unit. Not this unit. We write the dimensional symbol. Okay, we write the dimensional symbol, not the dimensional, not the units. For the kg, dimension symbol is m. For the meter, dimension symbol is L. For the second, dimension symbol is T. kg meter second. Next is the ampere. You know what? Ampere is the, and for the ampere symbol is A or I. For the Kelvin, symbol is K. Symbol is K or theta. kg meter second, ampere, Kelvin, and next is what? CD, candela. For CD, also CD. For mole, also mole. These are the dimensional symbol. Means only 3 is changed. बाकी सब सेम है. आप देख पा रहे हैं? बाकी सब क्या है? सेम. मास, लेंथ, टाइम. अब बताइए क्या फोर्स का डायमेंशन यही होगा? नो. डायमेंशन ऑफ फोर्स विल बी व्हाट? kg m, मीटर L, second T, power -2. This is the dimension of force. Here you can see the square bracket, and you can see the square bracket means dimension is always retained within the what? Square bracket. Dimension is always retained within the square bracket. Okay, without here repeat again. F is equal to ma. We can write here F is equal to mv by t. After solving, we get m as t minus 2. Then we find here that force has mass, length, and time. We write their units kg, meter, and second. But this is the dimension. Means dimension show the how many fundamental units and what is their power are used to show the physical quantities. Here to show the force we use kg, meter, second, and we write the dimension by the help of dimensional symbol. For kg we use m, for meter we use L, for second we use T, and after that as so on. You can see here. But what about the dimensional formula? What about the dimensional formula? You can see here. Dimensional formula. Dimensional formula is a, you can see here. Here now, F is equal to what? mLT minus 2. Here you have seen earlier, just earlier, mLT minus 2. This is the what? This is what? This is the dimension. This is the dimension. When we are writing dimensional formula, it is what? When we write the dimensional formula, at first write m l t. At first write m l t. Now see here, the power of m is what? 1. The power of l is what? 1. The power of t is what? -2. Means dimensional formula is an equation. Which show how and which fundamental units are used to express the physical quantities. Okay, this is an equation which show how the कितना power है and which कौन है fundamental units are used to express the physical quantity, that is force. Okay, you can see here when we writing the dimensional formula, at first write mLT. After that, see here the power of m is 1, L is 1, T is -2. Okay, write like this. So this is the all about the dimensional formula. After that we can write the dimensional formula. आप लोग को यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा याद रखना होगा, जैसे यहाँ पे मैं इसको साइड में लिख देता हूँ, केजी के लिए डायमेंशनल सिंबल व्हाट एम, मीटर के लिए डायमेंशनल सिंबल व्हाट एल, एंड सेकंड के लिए व्हाट टी. इतना ध्यान रखिएगा. एट फर्स्ट वी आर राइटिंग द डायमेंशन ऑफ एरिया. एट फर्स्ट we need the formula of area. The formula of area is what? Length into breadth. Means the area is symbolized as capital A. We are writing the dimensional. So length is measured in meter, and symbol will be what? L. Breadth is also measured in meter, symbol will be what? L. Therefore, it will be what? L into L. What will be this? L square. This is what? This is dimension. But when we are writing dimensional formula, it will be at first write what? M, L, T. Check here. M is present or not? Not. Then 0. L is what? L square. T is no. 0. जो क्वांटिटी यहाँ पे है उसको लिखिए, पावर में जो नहीं, that will be 0. You can see other example. Volume. The formula of volume is what? Length, breadth into height. You can see here what? V. V. You can see here V. Length. Length in meter, symbol will be what? L. Breadth meter, symbol will be what? L. Height. This is also L. Therefore, it will be what? L cube. This is what? Dimension. Now we are finding DF. DF मतलब बेरा नहीं, dimensional formula. Right here. M L T. M is present or not? No. 0. L Q T 0. This is the dimensional formula. Okay. In this way, you can find more and more formulas. Suppose that be clear that constant number has no unit dimension. Suppose that we want to find the dimension of kinetic energy. Dimension of kinetic energy, that is what? Half mv square. Dimension of kinetic energy is what? Half. No dimension, because half is constant number. Therefore, they have no dimension. Now, dimension of mass. मास का डायमेंशन क्या होता है? मास इज मेजर्ड इन केजी एंड केजी सिंबल क्या होगा? m. Therefore, what is it? m. Dimension of v you can see in book LT minus 1. The square is what? Okay. m l square t minus 2. This will be what? Dimension. Dimension formula is what? Nothing but at first write m l t. M is what? L t minus 2. This is dimensional formula. Okay, I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Write at least 50 dimension and dimensional formula. कितना लिखना है आपको? 50. कितना? 50. At first write the 50 dimension formula. Then I will give you a video about the application of dimension. Thank you.